Hi everybody, this is Daryl and Grumpy Cat. So in the last video I showed you how to add an image to your question, and in this question I made it a short answer question. Well, we're going to talk about data validation now. Data validation only exists if your question is a short answer or paragraph question, because in either of these two options the user is allowed to write whatever they want to write. You're not giving them any options of what they can choose for the answer. They can just write whatever they want to write. Well, if you're looking for a particular answer, or if you're looking for a certain number of characters, something like that, then you have to make sure that their answer qualifies for what you want. And that's called data validation. You're validating their answer for what you're looking for. So if we click these three dots here and we choose data validation, that brings up a few options here. So in this instance, if you're expecting them to enter a number, you can make sure that it's greater than or less than or any of these options. And then you would put the number that has to be greater than, and then you would put the text that would come up if their number didn't validate against that. If you choose text, you can make sure that their answer contains certain words or doesn't contain certain words. You can make sure that their answer is an email address or is a web address. This is really useful if you're collecting email addresses or links from people. Or you can go to length, and this gives you a maximum or a minimum character count. So if you want to limit them to 20 characters, or if you want to make sure they give at least 20 characters, you can put that right here. So we're going to choose maximum character count. We're going to put the maximum at 30 characters, and if they go above 30 characters, we're going to give them this error text. Please type less. He is not thinking that much. So now, if the user types something more than 30 characters, it won't let them submit that answer, and it will give them this error message and tell them, hey, you need to do less than 30 characters. So that is what data validation is and how you do it.